That's right. Well, it's not too late to decorate your home and get in the Halloween spirit. Our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are offering up 7 tips for creating the spookiest witch's den.
Here's how to turn your home into a witch's den for Halloween. Here are 7 tips for creating the perfect backdrop for a spooky soiree. Light the path with flickering candles. Use a star-shaped craft punch to dress up the candle holders. There's no toil or trouble in making this cauldron bubble. The witch's brew starts with spray foam that's left to dry, then painted the proper yucky color. Your kids will have fun perfecting the brew by adding rubber spiders, toads, and other critters. Display all the ingredients for your witch's brew. And witches won't feel at home on Main Street. Create a proper address with a wooden house number sign and rubber stamps. A gaggle of witches needs a place to park their brooms. Whip up your own by wrapping twigs and grass around wooden dowels. Glowing windows set the stage for a ghoulish gala. Cut black craft paper into spooky silhouettes. Your witch's den is now complete, and this Halloween, your craft decorations will bewitch your party guests.
All of these items can be made with simple items from your local craft store. And if you want even more inspiration, be sure to check out betterhomesandgardens.com for plenty of DIY helpful tips. Better Homes and Gardens is owned by the same company that owns this TV station, the Meredith Corporation. Well, we will be right back with more Studio 10 after this.